Lady steals 3 bags of Lasco and gets beaten.
I see a little something, but I never really.
But I saw a follow up to that. Okay, let's talk
something.
about the video. So the video showed where she. Do we want to use the word accosted? All right, so them all are in at the store, and them are all up the Lasco. Say, yo, look on the Lasco, them Tief. Can you imagine say a Lasco share Tief, blah blah black sheep.
No, everybody watch that already.
Everybody watch that already.
Yeah.
But I've been seeing people, on these other platforms, people are commenting that this is something that she does, and if you listen back to the video, they said that the rest she's not the only one that is in that ring, so to speak. That a bag of other people, like the other woman, them run. And a she one get kicked. Apparently, she's the mother of, don't quote me, of one artist or somebody, and this is what she does. And then there are people that are saying that if it is a case that she was in need, that how much money for Lasco? Like anybody in the store could have make up and help her buy it.
No. Jamaican people and some of them people we attack this thing. I don't agree with you, because we walk past people I beg with 50, 20p all the time per road.
Yeah.
And we pocket full of money and we say, no, brother, you know me not have it. So if somebody approach you in a store, you don't know, you're not going to happy if you get them money. And sometimes your pride as a person, you're not going to just approach a stranger and say, yo. And I feel like, say, yo, the people, all the woman of Lasco, I'm not condoning stealing, but when they dealt with the thing wrong, because when you go an extra mile to try to embarrass the woman, all the little Rasta Umbra grab off him wig and thing.
Grab off the wig, yeah. That
We
me never rate that.
them, man, like, cause you have to understand, you know. And not everybody have it, you know.
But well, that's
Lasco she a thief, you know.
and that's the other part.
Lasco.
That's the other part.
It's
that was
Lasco.
stated.
It's not. Look when them catch a woman at town, a thief will pa innocent.
Innocent in a price.
Why would you never embarrass her because a braffin she a thief, you know? A braffin she a look. This a woman a look a Lasco.
It's
sad. So they were saying that even if she was the mother of whoever the person that they claim that she is the mother of, like you don't know a person's situation, them could have flask and a braff and a pretend to them have it all together when they really and truly don't have it.
And don't have it.
So I mean, there are different sides to the story, but in that situation, she being a human being in that moment, me never rate how the situation was dealt with, and that is just my piece. Anything else to add?
Hopefully, the problem I had with it is that most time we don't make the law take its course, and we
take it up in our own
is
hand.
very, very, very prevalent in Jamaican society, and I think it's getting better than worse, I should say. So let's just hope for the best and hope that maybe lessons may be learned from this situation.
That's true.
Yeah. So
That's true.
leave it. I don't really want to comment too much on it, so I'm just leave it.
Yes.
At that.